of course, we'll be diving straight into today's analysis, of which we'll be starting with gold. And already I'm on good chart, and this is a 4-hour chart. So I'll just be moving to the recent position where which is this right here. So I'll be marking out the recent structures where we'll be looking at. So here is the low. Our eye is definitely going to be on. Then here is another zone where we are likely to come down to respect. Okay, so let me take this down. Alright. Now this level, you can see the market seriously making a lot of indecisiveness around this zone. Neither the bulls nor the bears are currently in charge of this market. So that means we are seeing a lot of indecisiveness, a lot of battle coming up between the bears and the bulls. So let's see what really happens as the day goes by. If the bear booster is be able to take out this zone, that'll be more than glad to still go long with that. And of course, remember we have a level here, which is a high we marked yesterday. Though yes, that's broken above it, but then remember we are seeing a lot of like a pendant around this level. So if you can see a breakup above that, that'll be more than glad to still go long. So overall, I'm still very much bullish on gold. But then let's go straight to the Forex factory. Let's see if the other that's coming up today. But then while we for Forex factory, let's go straight to the next one, which is going to be what's it called? The pound dollar. Let's go to pound dollar. So overall, I'm actually bullish on gold. Now let's go to pound dollar. Alright. So this was a trade actually. Okay, I think the first factory is actually ready right now. So let's check out these fundamentals. Okay, it's loading. Alright, so looking out for the fundamentals, today is the 5th January 16th. No news coming out from the United States. Of course, the only major news we'll be having today is from pound dollar, which is by 11 a.m. Nigerian time. So I think no any form of fundamental that we have to pay close attention for today. So let's go straight to the analysis now. This is not actually market today that the market actually break below this, then you should think of going short to this next level. If it puts that below it before it tests, then we can go short on this. And I think that's already playing out right now. So let's go straight to the 15 minutes chart to see if we say likeliness or we go short on this market right now. Let me see if I mark any previous. Let me see if I mark at the next low we'll be looking at. Okay, so that means we still have a long way to go on this. I really don't like it when my what's it called, my gold, my pound dollar, and BTC are not in alignment. I prefer them being in alignment. When I'm in alignment, that means if the gold is bullish, I want my pound dollar to be bullish. I want my BTC to be bullish because they all have the United States dollar as their host currency. So I really don't see any reason why they should be against each other, like the gold being bullish right now. And of course, the pound dollar is already looking bearish from what you can see right there. Then we can't confirm that until remember the gold want to see a break into this for gold. But now on this, since it's already bearish, if we can see a break below it, that's where we can confirm the bears are ready to take charge. But then if the market happens to go into this, we wait for a test on that for us to go long on this. Otherwise, we just have to wait for the break out of this. Okay, sorry. Let me just delete this and start afresh. Alright, so that means you can get a break release and you can think of going short. So I'm very much feel like more than glad if this market actually break at this previous this twin line around there into this zone, then I'd be more than glad to go long on pound dollars into the preview into the next zone, which is going to be around this level right here. So let's see what really happens in a few hours from now. If you can see the bears or the bulls winning market, let me just clean all this so you can get a bit cleaner chart. Okay, so let me just move this. So in other words, now I see the market going down here, so I want to see if it tests to continue going short on that. Otherwise, if the market happens to go into this level, maybe close above this previous rejection around here, then go into this zone. I wait for a retest on that, then I think of going long on this. So let's see what really happened at the time goes by for today. Now going to the next one, this is going to be the BTC USD. All right, let me clean this in. Now, yes, BTCUSD, which seems to be has been on the bullish trend for a long time, and of course, I'm currently still on bullish on what's it called, long trade on this. I took that, I think, for somewhere around when it's book above the that was when I took that yesterday. That I'm still here. I think my stop loss, I've moved my stop loss somewhere around here. That was yesterday. I think I was there yet. Then when that's what the dejection and closed above this, I moved my stop loss to this level. That's I just left it because even if I'm going to lose it, I'm only going to be taking out in a profit you have already accumulated around this previous zone. So that I just left it open. But then if you want to go long, let's go to 15 minutes. Let's see if you can see opportunity of being long on this. Remember I told you that I'm still very much bullish on my pound dollar, on my BTC and on gold. So if you want to join the gold bullish trend, then that means your stop is never going to be around this level. That might be a little bit let's see if it's up to 1 to 2. Definitely it's not up to 1:2 is to reward ratio. Except to go this way. At least it be the buy opportunity on what they call on BTCUSD. Though I'm already on the buy opportunity, I'm putting my stop loss below this injection right here. So if you want to go long, this is the buy opportunity on BTC USD for it to continue. That or better still, if we have a better patience, you can still wait for a breakout out of which we said yesterday. The breakout of this, the test of this, they can think of going long on the swing trading pattern. Once you go long, you can just leave it for the rest of the day. Alright, that's it. That's going to be the end of today's analysis on my three major pairs, the gold, the BTCUSD, and XAUUSD. Remember, we do this every single day. So please stay tuned as we bring you another one tomorrow. Please, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. And remember, never risk more than you can afford to lose.